If you would like to see how I made this tumbler, keep watching. We will be using the new mix curated by Olivia of Felixx and Friends called New York State of Mind. This is the premiere pack for December and it comes with the two coordinating colors, Neon Pumpkin and Mocha Green. I will be using Moonlight along with this cup. I found this template from Brave Danger Designs and the template is called Daddy. I'll be sure to link the website down below. I sized the template to the measurements of the 16-ounce plump and cut it out using my Cricut Maker on stencil vinyl. I drew a line on the cup to help with keeping my stencil straight. After placing the stencil vinyl on the cup, I weed out the pieces and color in with my acrylic paint markers. I tried not to put the same colors next to each other, but that was inevitable. As you can see, I didn't color one of the sections. At this time, I wasn't sure if I was going to make that white or have the outline white. I ended up coloring it with a different shade of green for the rhinestone mix. Now I'm taking my neon pumpkin and filling in all the orange sections. I try to start at the smallest end and move up in size with the next stone until I get to the largest section and try to outline with the different size stones and fill in the middle. After filling in all the orange, I started using the New York State of Mind mix in Moonlight. As I'm filling in the sections for the New York State of Mind mix, I made sure I filled in any sections of the white with Moonlight to make sure the stones fit in between the other color sections. Now I'm working the moonlight and the mocha green the same way to finish the cup. For the bottom of the cup, I removed the bottom and used about 15 milliliters of Alumilite epoxy and the glitter that came with the Premier pack to fill it in, and then I rhinestoned it using the New York State of Mind mix. Now here's the finished tumbler. This was a quick project for me and I love these colors together. Olivia created a great mix for this month's Premier pack. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching.